Phrase 1.
I'm more than that. Or, you don't know me well enough. We use I'm more than that or you don't know me well enough when someone judges us or thinks they know us, but they are wrong or incomplete. Someone says,
You're just a quiet person.
you can reply.
You only see one side of me.
Someone says,
You're only good at simple tasks.
you can reply.
I'm more than that. You don't know me well enough.
Phrase 2. I wasn't born yesterday. We say, I wasn't born yesterday when someone thinks we are easy to trick, naive, or not smart enough. It means, I am not stupid, or I understand what is really happening. When do we use it? We use this phrase when someone is lying, someone is hiding the truth, someone is trying to cheat or trick us. Someone says,
This phone is brand new. It was never used.
you can reply.
Come on, I wasn't born yesterday.
This mistake just happened by accident.
I understand, but I wasn't born yesterday.
This phrase can sound rude or strong. Be careful when using it with your boss, customers, older people. It is best used with friends, people you know well, informal situations. Phrase 3. Don't sweet-talk me. We say, don't sweet-talk me when someone uses nice words, flattery, or fake kindness to get what they want, thinks we are easy to trick, naive, or not smart enough. It means, be honest with me, or don't try to manipulate me. When do we use it? We use this phrase when someone praises us too much. Someone is trying to convince us. Someone wants a favor or money. Someone says,
You're the smartest person I know. Can you help me with my project?
you can reply.
Hey, don't sweet-talk me. Just tell me what you need.
You're amazing at this job. No one can do it better than you.
You can reply. Don't sweet-talk me. What's the real reason? Tone warning. This phrase can sound joking or serious. Your tone of voice is very important. Smiling will be friendly. Serious face will be strong. Phrase 4. Don't keep me in the dark. We say, don't keep me in the dark when we want information. It means we do not want to be confused or left without knowing what is happening. It means, please tell me the truth, or please keep me informed.
Are you moving to another country?
Yes, but I don't know all the details yet.
Okay, but please don't keep me in the dark.
Is the project delayed?
We are still discussing it.
I understand. Please don't keep me in the dark. Tone tip, important for learners. This phrase can sound polite or strong. Use please to make it polite. Please don't keep me in the dark. Phrase 5. It's not my place to say. We say, it's not my place to say, when a topic is personal, private, or belongs to someone else. It means, I respect their privacy.
Why did Anna leave her job?
I know, but it's not my place to say. Is the manager getting a promotion?
You can reply, I'm not sure. It's not my place to say. Tip for learners. This phrase helps you avoid gossip, sound respectful, sound like a native speaker. Please subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos.